So as the name suggests, clear method will remove all elements from the container. In other words, it will make the container empty. Now, as we know, string is immutable and so is tuple. So both these will not support clear. Let's start with the list. Again, I'll just copy paste the code to save some time. So here we go. Um, Here is our list, and rather than saying remove, let's say clear. Okay, and we don't have to pass any argument because by default it's going to remove all the elements, right? And let's see what happens. So as you can see, the list which had 3 elements is now an empty list, correct? Same thing we can try for a dictionary or for the set. So let's go with dictionary. I'll again just copy paste the code. Here we go. And we'll simply change the pop with clear and remove the argument. So you can see the dictionary is empty now, and same goes true for set. So we have the set. As you can see, there's 3 elements. If I simply say set dot clear and then again set one, it is an empty set now. Okay, so pretty easy. Now let's move on to delete.